Señoras y señores, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, Madame, Monsieur, Signore, Signori. Con todos ustedes, with all of you, Mix Dinner, avec vous tous, con Tutti Boy, Exotic Parrot Show!
Awesome, come on everybody, come. That's it, very good. Okay, one question, are you ready for the show? Wow. One more time, are you ready? Come on. Clap, come on everybody. Yeah, very good. Okay, now, good evening ladies and gentlemen, the children, and welcome to our Parrot Show. We start our show with this beautiful Ada Chloropterao green queen macaw from Venezuela, and its name is Frank. But Frank, open the show and welcome all of you with the national symbol, right Frank? Come on, let's welcome them. It's very easy. Look, it's here and up to the top. Frankie, up to the top, come on. Ole, very good Frankie, well done. A bit more, Frankie, just a bit more, yes? Harder? Yes, there you are, very good. Big round of applause for Frank. Thank you. Well done, Frankie. Well done. But, okay, now we continue with the second one. And the second one is this beautiful Ada trio military macaw from Mexico, and its name is Charlie. But for our friend Charlie, we have this little puzzle. Okay? Now, I'm going to take out the 4 pieces of the puzzle to see if our friend Charlie can put it back in its proper place. Okay? So, Charlie, we start with the red circle. And where do you put the red circle? Charlie, red circle. Where? Oh, yes. Very good, Charlie. Well done. But, okay. The next one is going to be the white square. Charlie, big white square, okay? Come on. Go get it. Go. Go get it. Go. Come on. And Charlie, big white square. Oh, yes. Very good, Charlie. Very good. Okay, the next one, we continue with the blue triangle. Charlie, blue triangle. Yes? Come on. No, this way. Come on. Go faster. Come on. This other way. Oh, sorry. Charlie, blue triangle. Come on. And yes, my friend. Very good. Well done. Okay. Charlie, the green diamond is very easy, right? It's the last one, so this one he can miss. Charlie, green diamond, right here. Come on. Let's see now, Charlie, green diamond. Green diamond, very good. Look at it. That's it, my friend. And big round of applause for Charlie. He put all the 4 pieces in the right place. Hey, Charlie. Very good, Mike. There you are. And now. Well, now we continue with the third one. And the third one is this crazy, believe me, he's totally crazy. Ada Ararauna or blue and yellow macaw from Colombia, and its name is Pancho. But our crazy little friend here is gonna show you that he can ride on this little bike. Yeah, he's got his own bike. Right, Pancho? Come on, let's go for a ride. Very easy, quite simple. Up and follow me. Let's go. Hit the road, Jack. Yes, my friend, very good. Come on, up to here. Let's go. Oh, stop, yes, the other way, let's go, come on. Come on. Just a bit more, Yes, there you are, my friend, very good. And big round of applause for Pancho. Thank you, Pancho. Very good. Pancho. Yes. And, well, here we also have a basketball player. Yes, like Michael Jordan. Or Pugosol. And yes, Charlie, he's a little bit slow, but he's really good at playing basketball, right, Charlie? Yes? Yeah, you want to play? Okay, let's play. Grab the ball. 2 points inside the basket. Come on. 2 points. Yes, Charlie, very good. Come on. Let's do it again. One more time. 2 points. Yep. Charlie, there you are, my friend. Okay, now the last one. Come on. This way. I mean, this other way. Oh, sorry, Charlie. Yes, it's right there. It's right there. Come on. Charlie, 2 points. There you are, Mike. Very good. A big round of applause for Charlie, our basketball player. Thank you, Charlie. Very good. And yes, here in Tennerife, it's impossible to forget a great tourist like all of you. Now let me present you this beautiful sulfur-crested cockatoo from Australia, and her name is Betty. But Betty, she loves to go to the beach or the pool, side the sun and get tan. Yeah, she does. Though she doesn't do it any place. She always brings with her her own yellow sunbed, right? She's got a proper sunbed. Come on, sweetie, let's get tan. But, well, there's a time.